Hello, and welcome to this introduction of the HDR SW series of HDMI switchers and matrix switchers. The HDR SW series supports 4K 60, 444, as well as HDR formats. It replaces the UHD SW series and adds HDCP 2.2 compliance and full 4K capability. We are offering these products for cost-effective HDMI switching and distribution. They're ideal for any application requiring switching between multiple AV sources. More significantly, the two output models have been upgraded to matrix switching. There are three models available in the HDR SW series. The AT HDR SW51 with a single HDMI output. The AT HDR SW52 with two matrixed HDMI outputs. And finally, the AT HDR SW52 ED with matrixed HDMI and HDBaseT outputs. These switchers feature selectable 4K to 1080p downscaling and automatic input selection. The HDR SW switchers also include audio de-embedding to analog and digital audio outputs. Front panel volume control and signal indicator are provided in the two output models. All switchers can be controlled via Ethernet, RS-232, and IR. The HDR SW52 ED has distinct features related to its HDMI and HDBaseT outputs. It can transmit AV, power, and control over HDBaseT up to 330 feet or 100 meters. The recommended HDBaseT receiver is the AT HDR EX100 CE-ARX, originally introduced for the HDR CAT series. With this receiver, return audio can be provided from the display back over to the HDR SW52 ED. Another key feature of the 52 ED model is automatic display control through IP, RS-232, IR, or CEC. Here is a visual summary of the key features of the AT HDR SW51 switcher. Support for 4K 60, 444, and HDR formats. Automatic switching between inputs. Selectable 4K to 1080p downscaling. Audio de-embedding to digital and analog outputs. And finally, ready for integration with Atlona Velocity and third-party control systems. The AT HDR SW52 matrix switcher has the same key features plus the following: two mirrored or matrixed HDMI outputs, and user volume control on the front panel. The HDR SW52 ED adds the following key features: mirrored or matrixed HDMI and HDBaseT outputs, automatic display control, HDBaseT output for AV, Ethernet power, and control up to 330 feet or 100 meters. The HDR SW series is ideal for commercial, education, and residential applications. We'll go more into applications in the following slides. The HDR SW51 with a single HDMI output is ideal for simple switching applications. It's also great for localized switching into a larger AV system, such as an OmniStream networked AV installation for a facility or building. The HDR SW52 features two matrixed HDMI outputs, making it a good candidate for meeting rooms with dual displays. It's also useful in serving a display while feeding into a larger system such as OmniStream. The HDR SW52 ED has matrixed HDMI and HDBaseT outputs to serve local and remote displays. In meeting rooms, this could be displays on the front and side walls. For lecture halls, this switcher can be used for the main projector and a confidence monitor at the lectern. For more information on the AT HDR SW series, go to www.atlona.com.